and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we got some beautiful brand new RegaMaster wheels, and I'm going to take you to the entire process how to apply the Boosted 2.0. I want to show you what do you need, a few suggestions how you can approach this type of work, and then the final application. We're going to weigh the wheels as we usually always do, see what kind of weight we see on them. They have a stamping that they're super light, and I pick them up and they feel super light. My guess is about 13-14 pounds. Let's see. So I'm going to take you to the entire process, and I'm going to show you how I ceramic coat the wheels with the hand application, not with the spray, with the airbrush. We do have a video about the airbrush, which most of the time I do depending on the wheels if they have hard to reach places. Then I'm going to show you what do we use to clean them, what do we use to maintain them, and then some more tips about safety. So I'm very excited. It's my first video on the remodeling garage. I have a part 1, part 2 down below, so check the remodeling out. So my first job on the new shop, so to speak, my AC is going. We have a 49% humidity, and the temperature here is about 72. It's raining outside, plenty lights. So happy about this shop. I mean, so comfortable, and so it's a pleasure. So nevertheless, let's go with the Boosted, and I'm gonna start weighting the wheels, show you the wheels, and we go. So to ceramic coat the wheels we go. Okay, so I have the wheels on the floor in a nice cushion. So if we start here, super lightweight, super forged wheel, RegaMaster special edition, produced by Desmond. I was told by the owner that putting the stickers was a real task. And then this is the wheel, the competition model EVO. They look very nice. Somewhere in there I saw right here, made in Japan. I believe they're going into a Civic SI. They're brand new. So in this type of wheels you have a couple choices. Right now you probably could put the prep oil, prepare the wheel faces, and then go straight up with the Boosted, with the ceramic coat application. If you like, you could give a very light polish, if you like. In this case, I'm not gonna do the polish because I don't want to tamper with the stickers, right? So we're just gonna make sure that there's no glue residue left and they're in good order. We go with the prep oil and the hand application of the Boosted. You could spray them if you like. In this case I'm gonna do the hand application because how thick the spokes are, so I have plenty area to work with, and I'm gonna show you what comes on the kit for the Boosted. So that's the wheels there, and then we have this setup here on the new shop, which looks beautiful. I'm telling you, check that the garage makeover. So we're gonna weigh them up. So the kits come with the Boosted, right? Inside you have the bottle, which is the 30mm right here, the Boosted. This can be used for glass, painted surfaces, carbon fiber. You can easily do a car plus the glass plus the faces of the wheel with one bottle. Then it comes with a foam applicator and 3 microfiber cloth, and that's all you need to do for the Boosted. To maintain them you have a few options. You can go with the Quick Detailer Plus. It will give you a temporary protection about 2-3 weeks, or you can go with the ceramic spray TC1, which will give you a couple months of protection. And then to clean them and wash them, you go with the wheel cleaner deluxe, and that's all is to it. If for your tires you can have the T2. You want to have a light to check the surfaces. Very important, the safety aspect of this whole thing. Always wear a mask. This stuff is toxic. Wear your gloves. And then we're gonna have with the prep oil, which is the wax and grease remover. This is a very economical product, very good product. There's other options out there, up to you. And then a couple microfibers towels. And the reason that we have a couple microfiber towels is because one, we're gonna be using for the prep oil, and that towel will be contaminated, so we don't want to use that anymore. After that, we're gonna dry the surface with a clean towel, and now that I see here we're missing one more towel, and then you will have the third towel, which is completely clean, and that's the one that you will be removing the ceramic coating. And then we have the scale here ready, which I weigh all of the wheels that we do. So let me set this up and see what is the weight on the wheels right here. Okay, so we'll come back soon. Okay, so we got on the scale, and the official weight is 17.8. So these wheels will be the second lightest wheels that I have ever done. The first wheels, I believe, right under 17 or 17.5, 17.2, are actually these Finsky wheels on the Porsche. Very lightweight, but this is good. So that's nice to have. They look beautiful. Look at the craftsmanship on this here. Let me see if I can focus here. Right here, beautiful. And I'm gonna put them on the table. You got all your decals there. These are 18s. Very nice finish. Okay, so to the table we go with this. Okay, so step number one, with the prep oil. You can order this online. Amazon sells them, or your local paint supply. Very small splash. Then the wheel on the side, and we're simply gonna wipe all the surfaces that we want to apply the coating. And the reasoning for that is that we want to get all the dust. We want to get all the dust, all the fingerprints, any glue, anything out of the surface, so the ceramic coating sticks to it. Just a very light pass. Then on the front, same thing everywhere. And as you notice that I didn't put a whole lot of product. You want to allow the prep oil to evaporate. It takes about 60 seconds. So that's it. And one tip that I can tell you is, when you ceramic coating the wheels, if you're gonna have them standing up, you wanna make sure you pinch them with something so they don't roll. In this case, I'm gonna do them flat, and I'm gonna start with the bottles this way here. So I will go inside here with the bottles. So I'm gonna put my mask, I'm gonna put my gloves, and we go. So soon come. Okay, so we're all set. So I have the applicator and the microfiber cloth wrap around it, and I'm just simply going to apply the coating into there, quite heavy. And then before I put my mask on, we're just going to go around it. Okay, another tip, you can fold the microfiber and just glide over the surface that you like. And usually on these white wheels, I will apply the ceramic coating. It takes about 4 to 7 minutes depending on the ambient temperature. Here we are 45 45 the humidity and about 72, so it probably will take 2 to 3 minutes to remove it. But on these white wheels on the bottles, I will leave the application without removing the coating, without leveling that we call it. And the reason I do that is because we have tested with many wheels and they seem to last a lot longer and the protection is a lot better, and you won't be able to see it because it's on the back side. On the front side, however, we will remove it at the 3-4 minute mark depending. And on the front side, it will be the same thing with the applicator. Put it on your microfiber. Let me put this here on the side. And then start on one side and just simply go over the entire surface. And then in these areas here that they're a little hard to reach, just fold it, fold the microfiber so you can put the coating in there. Just glide back and forth. It's really nothing to it. Just gotta make sure you follow the steps. Make sure that you clean the wheel properly. And then, like I said, we will let it sit for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we will wipe them off, the residue, with the clean microfiber. And you will see later on the shine that comes out of. Beautiful. These areas here, you can do it with the microfiber cloth turn. It won't hurt anything. For the video purposes, just now I took my mask off, but I will continue with the mask. Just wipe the whole area. Let's wait a few minutes and then we take the residue out. Okay, the time has gone by for 4 minutes. Again, with a clean microfiber towel, just gonna very lightly wipe the residue, and you will see like a little white haze. That's an indication for you to remove it. If you leave it longer than that and it becomes real hard to remove, then you will need something like a sweat remover or some type of polish to remove it out, because it gets very hard. As you can see, the shine is incredible. Look at that, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna put it to the side. We continue, then we're gonna look at them after we're all done. Okay, and here they are all done, looking beautiful, front and back. Got them here taking some pictures, and here you can really appreciate that shine. 2 coats of the boosted. RegaMaster. Okay, so that will do it. There's the wheels ready for pickup. So thank you for your support, all the messages. Don't forget to check us online, turbowax.com, and we'll see you the next time. Thank you for watching.